I'm here to teach you how to teach your children how to use chopsticks. So one of the things that I like to do, this is my son Scott and my daughter Kyle, is I like to pick foods like Cheerios or nuts, and then we'll take them on to the more advanced stuff like rice, which is even smaller. So the first thing that you're going to do, Scott, you don't mind if I borrow these for a second, is you're going to pick a pair of chopsticks. Important thing is you want to make sure that the bottom of the chopstick is not too small and not too thick. Otherwise, you won't be able to have good dexterity with the chopstick in order to pick up the food. The next thing you want to do is you want to place 3 fingers on this side of the chopstick and the thumb on this side of the chopstick when you go to teach your child. You want to place them there, and then most importantly, you want to lift my center finger so that you can use that as the tool to move the chopstick back and forth. So then what you would do is you go for the food that you're interested in, and Cheerios are easy because they have a hole. You pick it up, place it in your mouth. I'll place it in Scott's mouth so I can speak. So Scott, you want to give that a try? Kyle has already seemed to mastered it. She kind of uses her way a little bit. She's using her thumb to kind of separate the chopstick a little bit. And what will happen is that once your kids learn how to use chopsticks, they're going to kind of develop their own way. She's been using them a lot longer than Scott. But as you can see with that method, he's got his 3 fingers on the chopstick, and he's using his center finger as his mechanism to open the chopstick and close the chopstick. This is not going to be a perfect thing that works on the very first day. So don't be discouraged if your young one is not able to eat an entire bowl of white rice using chopsticks. And they also sell kids' chopsticks in the store, so you might want to start with those first. But it's really neat when you can take your child to an authentic Asian restaurant and the server comes over and says, "Can I get the kids' forks?" And you go, "No, they know how to use chopsticks. Bring them on over." And that's how you teach children how to use chopsticks.